Hello student, today we learn uses of compressed air, different application of compressed air. This question is very important for examination purpose. For examination, we write any four from this answer. Number A, it is used to operate pneumatic tools like drill, hammer, riveter and rod drills. Number B, it is used to operate airbag for locomotives and railways. Number C, it is used to clean complicated machines, automobile and generators. Number D, it is used to produce blast in the blast furnace. Number E, it is used to start heavy diesel engine. Number F, compressed air is used in air conditioning of aircraft, airplane and building. Number G, compressed air used for spraying paints. Number H, it is used for starting multi-cylinder IC engines. Number I, it is used in gas turbine plant. Number J, compressed air, it is used to drive air engines. Air engines means air motor, which are used in coal mines. Okay.